Good day guys, I'm EJ Navarro from Industrial Technology, and in this diagram illustrates the four main components of basic vapor, compression, refrigeration cycle with pressure and temperature range. So guys, this is the diagram of cycle of refrigeration system. So we have four main components here: the compressor, the condenser, the expansion valve, and the evaporator. So let's start with the compressor. What's the function of this? The function of this component is to suck a low pressure vapor from the evaporator into high pressure vapor before entering to the condenser. The discharge temp is 50 to 63.8 Celsius, and the suction temp is 54.4 to 60 Celsius, and have a 350 to 500 psi. So after the compressor, let's proceed to the next components, the condenser. The function of this component is to release heat from refrigerant to the outside air. So the high vapor from compressor gonna travel into the condenser, which turns the vapor into high pressure and high temperature. The temperature range is 63.8 to 57.7 Celsius, and the pressure is 270 to 380 psi. So after the compressor to condenser, let's proceed to the expansion valve. What's the function of this? The function of this component is to reduce pressure and temperature of the liquid refrigerant before it enters to the evaporator. From 270 to 380 psi, gonna drop to the 69 to 75 psi. So after from compressor, condenser, expansion valve, let's proceed to the last components, the evaporator. What's the function of this? The function of these components is to absorb heat from environment and cooling it. So the temperature range is 44 to 66 Celsius, entering to the 55 to 12 point Celsius, leaving and have a 45 to 65 psi. So in the summary of this cycle, the compressor sucks in low pressure vapor, then become compressed and it turns to high vapor, then goes to the condenser, which turns the vapor into high pressure and high temperature, and after that it goes to the expansion valve, which turns the high pressure and high temperature to low pressure liquid that goes to the evaporator. The evaporator turns liquid to the cold vapor. So guys, always remember, the compressor compresses vapor to high pressure, and then the condenser cools liquefies refrigerant. Expansion valve reduces pressure and temperature. Evaporator absorbs heat to vapor. Then back to the compressor. The cycle repeats. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.